All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to duplicate a layer. So what I want to do is go back into Photoshop here, go up to layer 4. We're going to right click and I'm going to click on duplicate layer. And I'm going to hit, it's going to say, oh, how do you want to save it? What do you want to name the layer is what it's asking you. So, and then the destination. Do we want to keep it in the layers.psd file or do we want to create a new document? In this case, we want to keep it in this layers.psd right here. And we're going to just name it layer 4 copy. And then I'll right click on it and change the color to violet. That way we know it's a different layer. Okay. Now the other way to do that is to go to layer and hit duplicate layer and then hit OK. That's the other way to do it. I believe that's the only other way. Let me just make sure. Yep. So there you go. So that's how you duplicate a layer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.